So the first color to go is this one, red blend.
Color 20, okay.
So you find out the color and then you put inside.
Red 20, okay. This is red?
Yeah. Okay. 0.4.
Oh, I add too much.
Oh, it's okay. We can adjust by later. So just continue the rest of the color.
Brown now?
Yes. So until white.
Should I mix it with this?
Oh, you finish all the color? Oh, now is to put this base. This one is a glossy base, so we put it until 8 gram.
8 gram.
Yes.
Oh, it's melted fast.
Push, okay, and then slowly pull it up.
That was quick. Okay.
Push until the bottom, and then slowly pull up.
Wait.
Yours is good, right? Chocolate cinnamon.
Eating with the toddler. The before and after of shopping. It looks so dreamy, right? Nice. Let's go. The place is so big. Let's go.
These rings?
Look at this. So pretty. Oh, I like these cute horses. Another one?
Yeah.
ولا هذا.
It's a hundred.
Look at that. So pretty. I'm wondering how long it takes to like embroider all of this. Look at this. Look at that. I wish it is long sleeve and here it's covered.